D&D
All right,
term.
welcome back to Nullplays. This is episode 2.
Like some time has passed. We're pretending that some time has passed.
Literally, some time has passed.
These new sprites are great. Have you seen these?
Oh, that looks like Undertale.
They're great.
Undertale.
I'll fucking kill you.
Don't incur the wrath. Yeah, I could save you.
I think it was something like the Swords of Paran or something. That's the game.
It had the sword, like the word the sword and something, like the swords of something.
It was the Swords of, and then it was some D&D term.
I guess so. It looked like
Where was this?
it was at Walmart. It was like a game
It was a
preview.
game they were demoing.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It was coming out this year. It looked real cool.
So, swords of...
The Stranger.
So the strange.
That's the D&D term, right?
There's strangers in D&D.
Yeah, there's a lot of strangers. Strangers in a strange
Hey,
land.
unlock suit costume. 2 people. Oh yeah, you can play 2-player.
Not that you could
Yeah,
tell in this Let's
that's- you wanna
Play,
do
but the graphics are pretty cool.
How do you do that?
It looks like Monster
Do you
Rancher.
just take the Joy-Cons out? One
Yeah,
person
like
has
you
one,
do.
and the other one has the other.
That would
Nice
that
one,
would
that
make the
from
most
Mario
sense.
Okay,
to
let me try that.
Like-
I take Joy-Cons out.
It's impossible.
We're doing it live.
Yeah, I'll just play it from here. I pretty much know the game from back in my day, so yeah,
Oh, you broke it.
Oh no.
it's busted
But still. Alright, how do you
with gusto.
press these two? Press them both? Oh, you now player tail?
Yeah. Alright, now what?
Alright,
I don't know, I've never done it
How do we
before.
make it 2-player?
Well, I'm still here.
I bought it at launch, and for some reason they didn't have it ready for launch. So
What a No Man's Sky move.
yeah, it was pretty much the No Man's Sky of Nintendo Switch. For,
Swords of the Ditto.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
D&D at all. But
But it starts with D.
Swords of the Ditto, that game looks sick. I'm gonna bookmark that
Are you
shit.
sure it's Ditto, not
What if I
Dido?
go-
Could be.
It's, what is it, 2 T's?
Yes.
Like,
Yeah, then it's Ditto.
understand? Dido.
2 T.
Man,
I think it's like the Pokemon.
Let me go to the menu
Okay, Google.
and see if there's any.
Yeah, man, you know Dido.
Yeah.
How do you
And,
player mode?
I'm trying to remember the other Dido song.
Here are the top search results.
These gun.
Thank you. I think it's the other one.
Maybe.
Sampled by Eminem in that one song.
I know Dido better than Emin. I'd say, well, actually, I don't know. I don't really know either.
I think it was Thank You.
Getting both your hands in the screen while also getting the game is impossible.
Oh, yeah, starting again.
Oh, okay.
Alright, that concludes No Plays.